There's a lot of people out there that want to troll me, but they don't realize who they're dealing with. I am the king of the trolls. I am the king of the trolls. When you show up thinking you're going to troll me, you might leave some kind of comment. I'm going to act like I'm a normie. I'm going to act like you baited me. Ooh, you've hurt my feelings. And I might even post a video response to your comment, right? And I'm going to act like I'm triggered. And then this is going to invite more trolls, right? And the trolls don't realize they put money in my pocket. I am the king of the trolls, guys. I really am. You're not going to out-troll the troll king. Quit thinking. You can try now. You can try. But quit thinking you're going to out-troll the troll king, okay? I am the king of the trolls. And I also want you guys to know, I love trolls. Absolutely, 100%. I freaking love trolls, okay? Because I am a troll, okay? I like it when a little bit of chaos introduce a little anarchy. I like it when people show up and they introduce a little anarchy. I love it. You know, people should not be immune from criticism. YouTube should not automatically be censoring comments like they're doing. I'm against that, okay? I'll have people comment, they'll say, oh, you're hiding my comment or you're deleting my comment. And I'll reply like, nobody's deleting your comment. I'm not. YouTube might, but I don't delete comments. And you guys know that, right? And I just think these kind of trolling comments and these people that start arguments and stuff, this is really the sign of success. There's a direct correlation between how successful one of my videos is and how many trolls I get. The more trolls I get, the better. I love trolls, okay? I am not scared of criticism. Why? Because I'm a deeply flawed human being. There's nothing perfect about me, okay? I'm a deeply flawed human being, just like everybody else. And I don't care when a troll comes and pokes fun at me. I look at it as a challenge. Oh, somebody approaches the king of the trolls. A troll approaches, right? And so I don't let the haters get me down. I don't let the trolls get me down because they put money in my bank account. Like literally, like their engagement, their arguments they start, they're sharing, look at this loser, and making a post about it on Reddit. That stuff actually puts money in my pocket, okay? Trolls are amazing. Trolls are incredible. And nobody that is successful in the world doesn't have some trolls trying to bring them down, okay? You got to have trolls. That is a measurement of success. It means that you're relevant enough for people to troll you. If people are trolling you and giving you a hard time, that honestly means you're doing something in the world that's relevant. It means you're doing something right. The tripod is trolling me. Everybody's trolling me. Look at this shit. You know, where do you get these tripods, huh? The tripods are trolling me now, you know? And so sometimes you see the weird stuff happens around here, okay? And it gives it flavor, it gives it character. I have a philosophy that every tripod sucks. Every single one sucks, and you're paying money for them not to suck. That's my philosophy with tripods. You're just paying for less suckishness. Every tripod sucks. You're paying for one that doesn't suck. If you get a tripod that doesn't suck, it's probably going to cost like $1,000. If people are trolling you, that means they notice, okay? It means you're doing something important. It means you're doing something noteworthy. It's noteworthy enough for somebody to take the time out of their day to voice their displeasure, okay? So it's a reaction. It's engagement. You know, anybody that's important is going to have some people criticizing them, okay? If nobody's criticizing you, you're not out there doing anything that matters. And the biggest indicator that you're doing something that matters on some level is you have people trolling you. If you don't have anybody trolling you, it means you're insignificant. Get out there and get trolled. To the trolls out there, I want to thank you guys for helping make me famous. I want to thank you guys for putting money in my bank account. I want to thank you guys for spreading my videos, talking about look how dumb this guy is. I want to thank all the trolls out there for trolling. Keep trolling, okay? Absolutely. Trolls are amazing. Trolls are awesome. And you need more trolls in your life. This world would be a better place with more trolls. Trolls get shit done. Jordan Jareb, signing off.